The gym shouldn't be a to-do. The gym should be a I get to do, like a fun part. If you miss a workout because you're traveling or whatever, you shouldn't feel anxiety of, crap, I missed a lift. Fuck. I think it's just a better thought process to really just highlight, like, damn, man, I wanted to work out today. Not highlight this weird, self-imposed, insatiable need, but more so just highlight, like, your satisfactory desire that you want to lift and keep it light. Now, that's not exactly true. I want you to go nuts. I'm not going to say, oh, hey man, keep it light and chill if you're about to try to do a set of barbell back squats to absolute complete muscular failure. For that, you need to get serious. But in between, dude, it's just fun, man. It should be something which you build momentum up with. And once you build momentum, dude, you get to ride that momentum. Because who's going to lift for longer? The guy who's like, I got to be Mr. Olympia this year, versus the dude who's like, fuck man, I just love lifting. I want to pump some iron, see how far I can push myself, and enjoy the process of doing so. That guy's going to go way further.